Good morning students. Today we are going to learn new unit, that is unit 6, last unit, inverse Laplace transforms. Okay. So in this class we are going to learn definition of inverse Laplace transforms. What is the inverse Laplace transform definition first of all. Next, standard formulas of inverse Laplace transforms. Next, linearity property of inverse Laplace transform and from problems. సేమ్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్స్లో ఏ విధంగా ఉందో ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్. ఫస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్, స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములా, లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థీరమ్, సెకండ్ సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ వస్తాయి బట్ రివర్స్ ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్స్. ఓకే. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డెఫినేషన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్? If L of f of t equal to f bar s, L of f of t equal to f bar s means Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar s, then this f of t is known as inverse Laplace transform of f bar s. f of t name antam inverse Laplace transform of f bar s antam. L of f of t equal to f bar s, then f of t is called inverse Laplace transform of f bar s and it is denoted by L inverse of f bar s. L inverse of f bar s, that is L inverse of f bar s equal to f of t. Okay, same reverse differentiation integration elagano ika Laplace transform inverse Laplace transform same. If L of f of t equal to f bar s, then L inverse of f bar s equal to f of t. F of t is called inverse Laplace transform of f bar s. That is, if L of f of t equal to f bar s, L inverse of L inverse of f bar s equal to f of t. Formulas kuda anni Laplace transform nunchi reverse order వస్తుంది. Okay, you understand? L of f of t equal to f bar s, then f of t is known as inverse Laplace transform of f bar s and it is denoted by L inverse of f bar s. L inverse of f bar s equal to f of t. That is, L of f of t equal to f bar s implies L inverse of f bar s equal to f of t. So formulas now we will see. If L of 1 equal to 1 by s, L of 1 equal to 1 by s, then L inverse of 1 by s equal to 1. Reverse. So L of e to the power of at equal to 1 by s minus a, we know the formula. So L inverse of 1 by s minus a equal to e to the power of at. L of e to the power of minus 8 equal to 1 by s plus a. So L inverse of 1 by s plus a equal to e to the power of minus 8. So L of t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial means 1 by n minus 1 factorial is the coefficient outside. T to the power of n minus 1 Laplace transform is n minus 1 factorial by s to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial cancel, 1 by s to the power of n. Laplace transform of t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial is 1 by s to the power of n minus 1 by s to the power of n. Therefore L inverse of 1 by s to the power of n equal to t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. T to the power of n Laplace transform n factorial by s to the power of n minus 1. n ki బదులు ఏముంది ఇక్కడ n minus 1, n plus 1 sorry, n minus 1 ఉంది. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ L inverse of 1 by s is 1, L inverse of 1 by s minus a is e to the power of 80, L inverse of 1 by s plus a is e to the power of minus 80, L inverse of 1 by s to the power of n is t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Next, L of sin at is a by s square plus a square. A is outside వస్తుంది, ఈ 1 by a అవుతుంది. సో L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square equal to 1 by a into sin at. So L of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. That is L inverse of s by s square plus a square equal to cos at. L of sin h of at equal to a by s square minus a square. That is L inverse of 1 by s square plus a minus a square equal to 1 by a sin h of at. L of cos h of at equal to s by s square minus a square. That implies L inverse of s by s square minus a square equal to cos h of at. These are the inverse Laplace transform formulas. Okay. రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏ కోఎఫిషియంట్ కాబట్టి అవుట్ సైడ్ తీసుకుంటాం, ఇక్కడ ఏ కోఎఫిషియంట్ కాబట్టి అవుట్ సైడ్ 1/a వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఈ 8 ఫార్ములాస్ బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు బై అట్ దీస్ 8 ఫార్ములాస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ. ఇఫ్ L ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ F bar S ఈక్వల్ టు F ఆఫ్ t, L ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ G bar S ఈక్వల్ టు G ఆఫ్ t, then L inverse of C1 into F bar S plus C2 into G bar S equal to C1 is the coefficient, C1 into L inverse F bar S plus C2 coefficient, C2 into L inverse of G bar S. L inverse of F bar S equal to F of t, C1 into F of t plus C2 into L inverse of G bar S equal to G of t, where C1, C2 are constant. సేమ్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్లో కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఎలా అవుట్ సైడ్ చేసి ఫంక్షన్స్ యొక్క లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ అనుకుంటామో ఇక్కడ ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ బై L ఇన్వర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. దిస్ ప్రాపర్టీ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, L ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 2/s minus 4 plus 3/s square minus 9. 2/s minus 4 plus 3/s square minus 9. So L inverse of 2/s minus 4 by 3/s square minus 9. So sum of two functions, coefficient outside value, remaining function. So I am writing first L inverse of 2/s minus 4 plus L inverse of 3/s square minus 9. 2 is the coefficient outside, ఇక్కడ 3 is the coefficient outside. So 2 into L inverse of 1/s minus 4 plus 3 into 3 is outside, L inverse of s square minus 3 square, 9 means 3 square, but is by linearity property. And we have the formula, it is of the form 1/s minus a. So L inverse of s minus a equal to e to the power of 80, a means here 4, therefore e to the power of 40. Next, it is of the form 1/s square minus a square. So L inverse of 1/s square minus a square equal to 1/a sin h of 80, a equal to 3. So sin 1/3 into sin h of 3t. Okay. So 2 is as it is. This formula is e to the power of 40 plus 3 is as it is. This formula is 1/3 into sin h of 3t. 3 cancel. 2 into e to the power of 40 plus sin h of 3t is the answer. So reverse order lo first linearity property prakaram coefficients are outside, and inverse Laplace transform of functions, we have these two formulas same and substitute. Next problem, L inverse of s by s square plus 9. So L inverse of s by s square plus 9 equal to L inverse of s by s square, 9 means 3 square. So it is of the form L inverse of s by s square plus a square. A ante undi ikkada 3, s by s square plus a square, a కి బదులు 3 ఉంది, 3కి బదులు a కి బదులు 3 రాయాలి. సో cos 80, that is cos 3t, that is the answer. Next, find L inverse of 1/s minus 4 plus 1/s plus s by s square plus 2 square. So it is by linearity property. First one, L inverse of 1/s minus 4 and L inverse of 1/s, L inverse of third function s by s square plus 2 square. No coefficients లేదు కాబట్టి direct function. So it is of the form L inverse of 1/s minus a. S minus a means e to the power of 80. 1 by L inverse of 1/s minus a, e to the power of 80, a equal to 4, therefore e to the power of 40. And L inverse of 1/s, L inverse of 1/s equal to 1, therefore it is 1. And it is of the form L inverse of s by s square plus a square. S by s square plus a square equal to cos 80, a equal to 2, 2 means cos 2t. Okay. So e to the power of 40 plus 1 plus cos 2t is the answer. Next problem, L inverse of 1/s to the power of 4. Okay, it is of the form L inverse of 1/s to the power of 4 means L inverse of s to the power of n is t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. 1/s to the power of n inverse Laplace transform formula, L inverse of 1/s to the power of n is t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial, here where n equal to 4. n equal to 4 means t to the power of 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 factorial means 4 minus 1 means 3 t cube by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 6 into 1 that is 6 t cube by 6 is the answer. Next problem. Find L inverse of 6 by s square plus 4 plus 1 by s minus 6 plus 1 by s square. So by linearity property, in the 6 is the coefficient outside. L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4 means 2 square. 1 by s square plus 2 square plus L inverse of 1 by s minus 6 plus L inverse of 1 by s square. Okay, it is using linear property. And it is of the form 1 by s square plus a square. 1 by L inverse of s square plus a square means 1 by a sin at. So 1 by a sin 6 as it is 1 by a means 2, 1 by 2 sin 2t. Next it is of the form 1 L inverse 1 by s minus a e to the power of at. A means here 6 e to the power of 6t. And it is L inverse of 1 by s square is 1 by s to the power of n form L inverse, that is t to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial, n equal to 2. So t to the power of 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial. Here 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 3 into sin 2t plus e to the power of 6t. T to the power of 2 minus 1 means t by 1 factorial means 1. T by 1 means t. It is the answer. Okay, 3 into sin 2t plus e to the power of 6t plus t is the answer. Okay. Today's class we discussed about definition of inverse Laplace transforms and standard formulas, linearity properties, some problems. Okay. Go through this video and complete your fair notes. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.